How to set up dark mode in TradingView. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up dark mode in TradingView. So first of all, you need to open a new browsing tab and then come to tradingview.com. That's the official website of TradingView, and then you have to log in to your account. You can also use your Google credentials to log in. As you can see, I'm now logged in, and after logging in, you can see there are multiple options on the interface, and you just have to simply click on your name. And as you can see, under all the settings and all, and there's a dark theme option, and as soon as you click on the dark theme, you can see all the things have changed into dark theme, and all the pages are also, you can just check it from here. As you can see that all the page and the application interface has changed to a dark theme. You can also undo the dark theme from here, as you can see, and you can check other pages also. If you click on the markets, it's also in the dark theme. You can just change it and see it was the normal theme and the dark theme. And you can also do this with your mobile application of TradingView, as long as you are using a Android or a iOS device. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.